So what's up guys? What are you all doing during quarantine? I am super bored and today I thought I need to do something creative. It's really annoying, this lockdown, but we know it's required and there's a lot of bad things happening in the world. There are people dying out there and we can't be complaining. But nevertheless, we're all humans and yeah, we are bored. So that's why I'm here today, to show you what I am doing to kill this boredom. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sarthak Kathuria and I hope that you're all taking all the precautionary measures to prevent coronavirus from spreading. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon to never miss a video from my channel. I have been really bored during corona time and I'm assuming that all of you are bored as well and are planning to do something productive but don't know what to do. So here's the right thing that I have for you. All you need is a bleach, or also known as ala. If you go to any departmental store or you ask your mother about it, this is what it is, and we will be revamping our old clothes. So I have a pile of some clothes that I took out from my wardrobe which I do not wear anymore, and I have this black t-shirt where I tried some samples and the effects are amazing. Have a look. And even on denim, it was a light colored denim, but then the effects are awesome. But be safe, it's not safe for your skin. So preferably use gloves if you're not very careful with using this or handling this. If you don't have a spray bottle to put this or spread this across your clothes, so use gloves. That's important. So yeah, let's go. So you have this t-shirt with you. All you need to do is so I can either give it twists like this, but I don't really want that kind of an effect. So I will be crumpling the shirt randomly, just random से ऐसे करके, and we'll just use the rubber bands. We'll tie it up. So guys, we'll start by taking an empty spray bottle that you might have at home, and we'll take the bleach and we'll transfer some of it into the spray bottle, because it will get easier for us to spread it all over the t-shirt that you've prepared just now. And I'll be doing the same. So here's my t-shirt and I'll be spraying it all over the t-shirt. I'm not using gloves, but it's recommended that you use gloves so as to protect your skin from any harm that the bleach might cause. So guys, the t-shirt has started changing color, but I'm not very happy with the spray method because it's not covering enough for me. So I am pouring the bleach in the cap and I will be throwing it all over my t-shirt in all the directions. So I'll flip it over and I'll throw it wherever I see I need to change the color. So the next step is to wash our t-shirt under cold water, or normal tap water would work as well, because we need to stop the reaction of the bleach on the t-shirt. So when you feel you've reached the color that you require, you will wash it under the water so the excess bleach gets removed. So as this one did not get or change much color and did not receive as much, but I've already washed it now. I don't know if it will be any good after it gets dried up, but let's see. So guys, I'm gonna be doing the same technique on this one as well, as you can see. So guys, I'm going to put this t-shirt in the wash basin and I'm going to throw the bleach randomly all over it just to cover as much and to get a very random effect on the t-shirt. So let's see how it looks. So guys, as you can see, this has already started changing color and I am already loving this. The kind of cream color that I've got here. It looks amazing. It looks like a camo print. It's too good. So guys, I think it's time to wash it now. I like this color that I've got here. I think I'm going to stick with this. I don't want to keep the bleach on it for any longer. So I think let's go ahead and wash it in. So guys, I've dried the t-shirts overnight, and if you want you can also wash them, which will remove any excess bleach that might be there on the t-shirts anymore. But I think we're good to go. So guys, I have another t-shirt with me. This is the one. It's blue colored t-shirt. I'm gonna do the same thing on this. As you can see, the color is changing a little bit on this one as well. Guys, this is how it looks. So let's wash it. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, do hit the like button down below and also comment down below if you have other ideas for other videos, or if you want some other things that you want me regarding this same technique. And if you have done the same thing, don't forget to share it with me on my Instagram, which is _aligned. You can share your pictures, your videos, your content, whatever you've done. If you tried this technique, do send me your pictures, your end results. I'll be more than happy to see them. So until then, keep it unaligned, and I'll be back soon. I'm really sorry that I haven't been posting so much because of my college and there's so much happening around, that I'll be back soon. I won't take a lot of time. As much as I can, I will try to put and post more and more. So yes, I hope you like this, and bye bye.